getting dizzy.
Oh, that's so sad.
Luna, what are you doing? Oh, you're gonna be in trouble. Give me that.
What's the matter, Snoop? They just won't get out of your bowl, huh?
Oh, look at Blue Eyes.
Mom. Who wants a dog biscuit? Huh? Who wants one? Is it you? Do you want one? All right, good boy. You getting this?
Oh my God. Remington! You cannot come. Remington, you cannot come.
Calm down, crazy dog. Ooh, try it. Let a bark come out. Ooh.
Let's go. Let's go.
What happened to Santa? Poor Santa.
Stop. Just kept going and going and going. Just when he thought this has got to be the peak of it, it started getting harder.
Okay, let's save your ammo. Nobody fire till I tell you. This is Cowboy over. Mark will receive an enemy sniper fire. 8 Ball is down. Our position is about a half a click north of checkpoint 4. Believe possible strong enemy forces occupy buildings in front of us.
Milo. Now, are you gonna chase the fly again?
Yeah, I know you're gonna take your whiskers off.
I'm a silly boy.
You got a little something there.
Oh.
Show Mama you can pop it. There you go. Pop that tail. Pop it. Pop it. There you go. There you go. You want your snackies? You got them, girl.
Wow.
Sit down, Randall. Randall, sit. Randall. Good, he needs to learn. Hey.
That cat's like, this is our neighborhood.
Okay, you're fine. You stay. Get off the bed.
Something wrong with the laser. Boop, 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 boop.
That's pretty good.
Richard, you coming here? Reggae, where are you? Come on, Reggae. Come here, buddy. Reggae. Reggae. What are you doing? Are you in the cupboard? Are you in the cupboard? You're so silly.
What are you doing, Ted?
What are you doing, Ted?
Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Huh?
He's gonna crawl down, ain't he? Oh.
Now he's coming back on top. There he just going down. That's hilarious. Oh no, please don't do that. Oh, do not do that. Okay. Don't make it too much.
You want some food?
Fatty Moto, what are you doing? You snacking?
Are you stretching? Pork chop, are you stretching? Yeah? Go ahead, keep going.
Big news happening in Indiana. Breaking news. The word of a bus crash.
Yeah. Good job, Katie. Ready? Get it.
Not a good idea at all. Don't do it. Yep, back it up. Back it up. Oh. 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 I told you it was a terrible idea. I told you it was a terrible idea. But you didn't listen to me.
Drop it. Drop it.
Get it, Franklin. Get it. Get your toy. Get your toy. Get your toy.
Rheumatoid arthritis, and you're talking to your rheumatologist about a medication. This is Humira. This is Humira, helping to relieve my pain and protect my joints from
Fat. He says she inherits it.
He is so laid back.
Thumper.
Yeah.
Thumper.
She.
What you doing, Thumper?
He says she inherited her hips and ass.
We found out that our cat, Lloyd here, is part dog. Bring it back. Good boy.
Yo, this is the greatest thing ever. Stop. This is now we have a way to get Tank to exercise.
I know.
Charlie. Hello. What are you doing? Charlie. No. You're going to be on the bad boy list. Is it going to be on the bad boy list?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Olive. Happy birthday to you.
She blew him out.
That's a good stay. Buddy, can you do happy dance? Oh, yes. Good boy. Once more. Happy dance. Say hi, Carlton.
Come here. Come here. Coda, come on.
Oh, he got it! That's a bag of pee. Skip, I got another one for you. Pee.
Who's in your bed, Zoe? Why is the kitty cat in the big bed and you're in the little bed?
Jess! Saved her!
Look how she did it, get out and thing.
Oh, that's great.
Oh. Okay, wow.
You love that dog.
Huh?
You love that dog.
I don't want her to get hurt. You're too wild.
She really wants to get over to that girl. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, buddy.
That's gonna go.
What are you gonna do, Jake? What are you gonna do?
Go through here.
Well, who's